how to add a header, footer, and menu in Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add or delete a header, footer, or a menu, or let's say horizontal, vertical menu, hamburger menu, or any type of menu into the specific website of yours in Wix. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see here the site's dashboard. Now, once you have seen the site's dashboard, we are going to select one of the websites that we want to change the appearance or have these items added to it. For example, I'm going to add this or select this one. So we are going to wait for the dashboard to open up or to load up. Once the dashboard is here, you're going to click on the button of design site or edit site. So we are going to click on it and wait for the Wix editor to load up the content. As you can see, we have our website loaded into the editor and it looks a little bit, as you can see, one paged. So we are going to ignore the fact that we have only one section because I think that is going to be related to a one page menu, not the one page, but only a landing page menu or website. So aside from that, as you can see, we have a footer and we have as you can see, a header. Now, if we want to modify one of the header or the footer, you simply need to click on it. But in case you have no header and no footer, and that is going to be maybe a problematic for some of you, you need to add it. How we can add it? So basically you are going to head over the pages and menus. Once you have clicked on pages and menus, you can go ahead and click on the three dots that are available in each one of the pages and click settings. So here, basically, we are going to see each one of the pages. They are going to be independent. Now, we have the page info and the layout. So you're going to click on layout and we are going to see two types of layouts. We have the standard and we have the no header and footer. So for the standard, we have standard pages. We have, for example, have a header at the top and a footer at the bottom. And no header and footer, we have the header and footer and elements set to show on all pages are not shown on both desktop and mobile. So we are going to hide it and we're going to see the difference. Maybe some of the websites will come with no header and footer. You're going to get a website just like that. So we have no footer, and if we want to add it, you cannot. Also, we have a no header. You can go ahead and add for example, a section, but it is not going to be your header because the header is going to be a whole new format or another format. Now, let's delete this specific section and we're going to head over the pages and set up the home again. We're going to click on three dots, settings, make sure that we are going to select layout and click on standard. This is something that you should do in each one of the websites that you have. You need to control your header and footer. If you are going to see them, that is okay. If you cannot see them, this is the method how you can add them. Now, aside from adding the header and footer, let's talk about the customization of the menu. So if in any scenario you're not going to find, for example, this menu, let's say that it is going to be in here, we do not have a menu. How we can add it? So basically, you're going to head over here, the left side of the screen, and let's say that we want to add a menu or a horizontal menu in this place. We're going to click on Add Elements. Then we're going to head over here. We are going to search for menu and anchors. We're going to click on here, and then we're going to see the type of menus. We have themed menu, horizontal menu, vertical menus, and hamburger menus. Now, what are we going to do? We're going basically here to set up the themed menus. For example, we're going to have it just like that. Select one of the menus that you want. For example, here we have the themed ones. Also, we have the horizontal ones. So each one has its own, let's say, um, right there design, and each one of the designs could be modified, of course. Now, I'm going to add this one. For example, this horizontal menu. I'm going to drag and drop it just in here. And then you're going to see if it is going to be fit. If not, we're going to click on it and stretch it a little bit to the sides. And with that, you're going to have your whole menu in here. So as you can see, I have hidden or immersed my menu in here in this specific area. So we can go ahead and do a little bit of comparison. So we are going to put it under there, and you're going to see which menu is going to be suited for you. For the customization of the menu, each menu has its own customization. You can go ahead and manage the menu, click on it and manage it by adding or setting up the pages, also the elements that you want it to show them in here. You can add some menu items in here like a new page, dynamic page, a link, a section, an anchor, or a drop down. Or you can go ahead and add a new page by shortcutting it from here. Now, each one of the pages has its own menu. So for example, the site menu is going to be here. The sign up and login is going to be having these two items. The members area is also going to be having this item or this menu. Now, for the customization of the menu, you can go ahead and click on navigate, and you can see here each one of the pages so you can navigate through the menus of them. Now for the settings, you can go ahead and set the menu as an advanced menu, and then you're going to see the items in here. Now for the layout, you can go ahead and modify the layout, as you can see, of a wrap or a scroll overflow items. You can modify also the mega menu and the drop menu or drop down menu in the same time. Now, for the spacing and alignment, you're going to see that we have horizontal spacing between items, vertical spacing between items, item fill, the whole menu, and text alignment, and etc. Now, aside from that, you're going to have here also the design. You can design the menu by having them in right there. So here we have the animation as effects, and also we have the stretch. You can go ahead and click on animations and add an animation to your menu. So here, as you can see, we have the stretch also. You can go ahead and set up the menu as a full width, as you can see menu, and you can go ahead and increase the margins or you can remove them. So aside from that, it is going to be very typical to add a menu, modify it, or have here, as you can see, the header and the footer. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.